balancing of redox reactions. Okay, very important for objective and subjective examination. Interesting also. Students, please be ready. Okay. Balancing of redox reactions. Good morning, Puri. Students, redox reactions we can balance by using two methods. One is off reaction method. Second one is oxidation number method. Half reaction method. Second one is oxidation number method. Half reaction method is also known as ion electron method. Okay. Half reaction method is also known as what? Ion electron method. Okay. Now we will discuss half reaction method. So next example you have to try your own. Please observe carefully. So first one, half reaction method. In a half reaction method again we have two types. One is in acid medium, another one is in alkaline medium. So acid medium means they are represented with H plus. Why H plus? Generally acids liberate H plus ions in aqueous medium. So that's why acid medium is also represented as H plus. Alkaline medium means it is represented as OH minus. OH minus. Okay, ma'am? Now please observe. So don't do the mistakes. Very simple. Each and everything I will say. This is reaction. This reaction we have to balance in acid medium. How can you say it is acid medium? Very simple. On arrow mark he given H plus now. That's it. Arrow mark given H plus means reaction is taking place in the presence of acid. It's mean. Okay, na? Suppose by mistake instead of H plus if you write OH minus, it indicates it takes place in the presence of base, that is alkali. Okay, na? So you want to mention sometime acid medium. Instead of acid medium, what he will give? H plus. So So by seeing H plus, you can understand your own. Oh, it is takes place in acid medium like that. OH minus means alkaline medium. Okay, Nama? They will give equation like this. How to balance? First step and preliminary step that we have to do. He given in the reaction different species now. In that species, we have to calculate oxidation number of elements other than oxygen and hydrogen. Say for example, we take this species. In this species, other than oxygen and hydrogen means chromium only, na? Yes, sir. Abhay.
Yes, sir.
Chromium, we have to calculate oxidation number. Next, in this species, for which one we have to calculate oxidation number?
Nitrogen.
Nitrogen.
Very good. Other than oxygen and hydrogen, under nitrogen. Next, here as usual Cr plus 3. Then charge is plus 3. Okay, na? Here nitrogen. Okay, na? Impana, what is the oxidation number of chromium in Cr2O7 minus 2? What is that?
Yes, sir.
Plus 6, sir. Yes, sir.
Plus 6. Very good. This is Vinaya.
3, sir. Plus 3.
Sir, plus 3.
You are Vinaya.
No, sir. I didn't hear, sir.
Okay. Okay, Abhay GK. Plus 3. Next, Vidapan. Plus 3 na. This is simple ion. Equal to its oxidation number plus 3. This is Charan.
Plus 5.
Plus 5.
Plus 5. Why Abhay always active, very active. Good. I like that attitude. Okay, now we have to link up same elements. Ma, please remember chromium and chromium, nitrogen and nitrogen. See, ma, plus 6 to plus 3. Decreasing or increasing a value? Ma, lift best example, ma. Decreasing values, increasing values. Sixth, you are in 6th floor. You are coming to 3rd floor. Value is decreases or increases?
Decreases.
Decreasing in oxidation number is called reduction. This reduction.
Oxidation.
Plus 3 to plus 5. 3rd floor to 5th floor.
Oxidation.
Increasing in oxidation number is called
Oxidation.
Oxidation.
okay, na? So this is first step we have to do. Increasing in oxidation number, decreasing in oxidation number. Now we have to divide the equation into two parts. One is OHR, means oxidation half reaction. OHR means what? Oxidation half reaction. Another one is RHR, reduction half reaction. Okay, Nama? OHR, RHR, oxidation half reaction, reduction half reaction. Here, what is the OHR part? Means oxidation energy. What is the oxidation part?
NO2 minus.
NO2 minus
Converted
to
NO3 minus.
NO3 minus. This is OHR. Next, what is RHR?
CO.
Cr2O7.
Cr2O7 to Cr3 plus.
Plus Cr plus 3. Any doubt up to here? Any doubt up
No,
to
sir.
here? No doubt. Okay. Now steps wise I will explain. Please observe now. Balance atoms other than oxygen and hydrogen. This is the first step in balancing. Balance atoms other than oxygen and hydrogen. So here other than oxygen means nitrogen. How many nitrogens we have here? Left side,
1.
1.
right side.
1.
So already it is balanced. So you please write that one as it is. Okay? NO2 minus is converted into NO3 minus. Right? Next, in this equation, other than oxygen and hydrogen means chromium.
Yes,
How
sir.
many chromiums we have?
2.
2 chromiums. Here,
1.
only one. Means chromium atoms are not balanced. So what we have to do? We have to balance them. Okay. How to balance? Cr2O7 2 minus gives Cr plus 3. Okay, now 2 chromiums. We have tried 2. Where we have tried 2? Please remember, always what is the number we are using for balancing, that we have tried in coefficient part. Coefficient means this place. This place is called coefficient place. You should not write like this. It is wrong representation. Here also 2 chromiums we have, but it is not a correct representation. Correct representation is what? Here we have to write. Now you count 2 chromiums, 2 chromiums. So this step is completed now. Balance atoms other than oxygen and hydrogen. Students, any doubts up to here?
No, sir.
Next, balance oxygens. How to balance oxygens? Now I will say. Come to this equation. Left side we have how many oxygens? 2.
1.
Left side ma here 2 oxygen.
2 oxygen.
Sir, minus 1 is there, no, sir?
I am not asking about charges. Sir. Only number you say oxygens.
Yes, sir. 2.
2. That side 3.
3.
Means is oxygens are balanced? No.
No.
Which side more we have? Right side. Which side we have less? Left side. How many less?
1.
Here we have 3, here we have 2. Andre ee kade one oxygen kadime ide. So to balance oxygen atoms, we have to write H2O. What we have to do? We have to write H2O where oxygens are less. Suppose ee kade 4 ide akka, ee kade 1 ide, ee kade innu 3 kadime ide alla.
Yes, sir.
Idike ivannappa. Example I am telling you. Suppose if you have here 4, here we have 1, 3 oxygens are less. We have to write 3 H2Os. How many oxygens are less? That many H2O we have to write. Okay na? Here we have 3 oxygens. Here 2. How many less? 1 less. So that's why H2O plus NO2 minus gives NO3 minus. ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ಸ್ 2 plus 1 3 ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಇದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಇದೆ. Next, come to this part. Left side how many oxygens we have? 7. Right side?
Less.
Okay, how many oxygens are less? Right side? 7. So we have right plus irli 7H2O we have
7H2.
Yeah, now are you clear? Next, balance hydrogens. Student, ma, you may thought why I am writing H2O. According to rules, I am writing H2O. So we have some rules to balance the reaction. So in redox reactions, to balance oxygens, we have to write H2O. To balance the hydrogens, we have to write H plus. Rule, to balance oxygens, what we have to write? To balance hydrogens,
H plus.
okay na? Done. Left side we have 2 hydrogens. Right side, no hydrogens. What we have to do? 2 H plus are?
Yes, sir.
So how many hydrogens are less? That many H plus we have to write. Next,
We can't see downwards.
ma?
Sir, we can't see downward.
Now it is clear only na? Now, this side we don't have any hydrogens. That side we have 14.
14 hydrogens.
What we have to do? 14 H plus.
H plus.
14 H plus plus Cr2O7 2 minus gives rise to Cr plus 3 plus 7 H2O. Yeah. You please copy up to here. Better to write in landscape.
Sir, H2 plus or 2H?
2 H plus. 2 hydrogens less now. Balanced hydrogens. Oxygen site are 3. Balance hydrogens. Writing landscape. Landscape and the you don't need to write congestion. Na? So if you write like this, you can cover OHR or RHR easily. No, okay, no problem. See, like this. If you write like this, you can write, let's say, students completed? No, ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನು ಇಂಟರ್ವೆಲ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇನ್ನು ಕೆಲವು ಸಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಫೈಟ್ಸ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಲೈಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಅದು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ರೀಯುನೈಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ.
Yes. Completed, sir.
ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟುವರೆಗೆ ಇಂಟರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ, ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್. Actually, without doing all these, we can complete in single step, 1 or 2 steps. That is oxidation number method. How to do that we will discuss later. Okay, next, balance electrons. for valence electrons, I will say two methods. Which one is easiest method? You please follow that one. Okay, na? One normal method I will say, one trick I will say. Which is the easiest method? You follow that one. Okay, na? Next step, valence electrons. What we wrote last step, no? OHR properly. What I wrote last?
So H2O plus
H2O plus NO2 minus.
H2O plus NO2 minus gives
NO3 minus.
NO3 minus plus 2H plus ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇದನ್ನ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಗ
14H plus.
Cr2O7 2 minus
14H plus.
really 14H plus Cr2O7 ಒಂದು ಕಡೆನೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ, so you can write front to back, no, nothing will be happen. Okay, gives
2Cr plus 3.
2Cr plus 3 plus 7H2O.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Electrons ನೋಡಿ, nitrogen plus 3 to plus 5 means it is losing 2 electrons. Initially we have 3 positive charges, that is finally is converted into 5 positive charges. Andre electrons losing or gaining? Losing only na?
Losing.
Losing, sir.
Okay, na? Loss means which side we have right electrons? Product side. In first
Product
class.
side.
Yes, sir.
So under 2 electrons. Plus 3 to plus 5 alva. Difference estappa adu saaku. Plus 3 to plus 5 difference ಎಷ್ಟು? 2. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಅದೇ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್. ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 ಇದೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5 ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 ಟು ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5 ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಅಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ನಂಬರ್? ಈ ಕಡೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ 2 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ನೋಡಿ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 6 ಟು ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಮ್ಮ?
3.
3.
3.
But how many chromiums we have?
2.
2 chromiums. Difference ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 chromium difference 3, 2 chromiums difference 6.
6.
6.
6 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. 6 electrons plus. ಇದು plus 6 to plus 3 means it is gaining electrons na. Plus 6 to plus 3 means gaining electrons. How many electrons? 3 electrons. 1 chromium 3 electrons. 2 chromiums
6 electron.
Okay na? Next, suppose you are getting it is a difficulty. One simple trick I will say. Please remember that one. If we have space, it's better to write in one separate page. Nothing will be happening. Balancing electrons is very very important. Okay na? Trick ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಅಮ್ಮ, positive charge means positive means same side, negative means opposite side. That point you have to keep in your mind. Positive means same side, negative means opposite side. Positive means same side, negative means opposite side. ಈ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. What is this nonsense? Positive, opposite, same side, negative, opposite? Now I will explain. Okay. Like this, we have different electrons. And the different positive charges and different negative charges in a equation. Okay na? You can apply for this method or you can apply for this method, whatever you take. So if you know how to write the electrons for a given reaction, whatever the compound is given, there is no chance to write the mistake. Okay? First you write opposite, one arrow. So here, come to this part. First I am solving this side part, next I will solve that side part. this part, how many positive charges we have? No, 4
One.
positive charges. Okay, na?
One.
This positive charge coefficient multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
It's 4.
4 positive charges, sir.
Coefficient multiply. 4 positive charges. Positive charges means where we have to write same side.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Same
sir.
side ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ arrow to same side. Opposite ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ arrow opposite side. Okay? 4 electrons. I wrote. Next. Here, how many negative charges we have? One
One.
negative charge. You should not multiply these two.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ಪವರ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, CO2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅದನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಒಂದೇ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್
Opposite side, sir.
ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್
Opposite side.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಇದಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಇದಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? 1 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, 1 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ I wrote opposite side. Next, ಈ part completed up. Next, come to this part. How many negative charges we have?
4.
4.
ಯಾಕಡೆ ಬರಬೇಕು?
Opposite side.
Opposite side.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಮ್ಮ 4 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ಇದೆ?
2. 6. 6.
6.
ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಬರಬೇಕು?
Same side, sir.
Same side.
Same side.
Plus 6 electrons.
Okay. After that, we have to compare electrons left side, right side. Here 8 electrons, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Here 7 electrons.
7 electrons.
8 minus 7.
1.
1.
One electron.
Large number ಎಲ್ಲಿದೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. You have 8 rupees. You have to give 7 rupees to others. You are given. Still, how many rupees you have? So that is
1 rupee.
1 rupee. Okay, na? Clear? This is the technique to write the electrons. Now,
Then, sir, then we have to write on here reactant side, sir. Now, 1 electron.
1 electron in here we have to write like this.
Yes.
Okay.
Sir, actual equation is the above one. Calculation is the below one, no, sir?
ಇದು trick.
Yes, sir.
ಇದು correct method means actual with respect to electrons. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. 1 minute. Your doubt is how you got the electrons. Very simple. You write this part as it is. ಇದು ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಇದು ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ಒನ್ ಆರೋ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಎಸ್. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ 0. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಆರ್ ನೋ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್. ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್?
1.
1.
ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಬರಬೇಕು?
Opposite side.
Opposite side.
ಇಲ್ಲನಾ? 1 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಇದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ಇದೆ?
1. Opposite side.
ಓಕೆನಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್?
2,
One.
sir.
2.
2, sir. 2.
2, sir.
ಓಕೆನಾ? ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್. 3 minus 1
2.
2,
2.
sir. Right side.
ಅಂತ.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That's all. ಓಕೆನಾ? Your wish, whatever the method you want to apply.
Yes.
This is also I proved how 6 electrons. Arrow mark. Okay. 2 negative charges, sir. ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ
Yes, sir.
ಬರುತ್ತೆ?
Opposite side, sir.
Opposite side.
2 electrons. 14 positive charges.
Same side.
Same side.
Next, How many positive charges?
6.
Same side. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ no positive, no negative.
No.
0.
0.
ಇದು add ಮಾಡಿ
14 minus 8.
6.
Sir,
6, sir.
6 on left hand side. Yes.
14 minus 8 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 6. ಈ ಕಡೆ ನಾವು 6. That's it.
Yes.
Original method.
Explain original method this only. Original method is +3 to +5.
Okay.
It is gaining, losing 2 electrons. So that's why I wrote here 2 electrons. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Next, +6 to +3, it is gaining 3 electrons. But how many chromiums we have?
2.
2. 2 into 3, 6. Step. So you can apply any one method, your possible method.
It's easy.
Your wish.
Sir, normal method is easy, but sometimes we'll get confused in multiplying that 2.
So that's why you have to apply this method. Okay?
Yes, sir.
No chance to write mistake. And moreover, if different charges are given, than that one, this is the easiest way.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Next, ಇನ್ನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. ಇನ್ನು 2 steps ಇದೆ. ನೋಡಿ. So for OHR we have how many electrons?
2 electrons.
2 electrons.
Electrons.
For RHR we have 6 electrons. We have to equalize the 2 electrons now. How to equalize it? Suppose I have one side 2, one side 6. Say what is the possibility to equalize?
Into 2.
It into 1. 6.
6.
6, 6.
ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ one side we have 3, one side we have 2. ಇದು 3 into 2.
Multiply by 2.
2 into
Multiply
2,
by
2 into 3.
3 into 2 and 2 into 3. It is 6, it is 6. One side we have 2, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು side we have 5. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು?
Multiply on
2 into 5, 5 into 2.
5 into 2. Like that. Here we have 2 electrons. Here we have 6 electrons. So ಇದು into 3 ಮಾಡಿ, ಇದು into 1 ಮಾಡಿ. Say by multiplying with into 3, 3H2O
3H2O, 3NO2 minus gives 3NO3 minus plus 6H plus.
plus 6 electrons.
Correct.
Okay. Next, ಅದು into 1, 6 electrons plus Cr2O7 2 minus plus 14H plus gives
2
Cr plus 3 plus 7H2. Yes. While we are adding opposite side, same groups we have to cancel. Suppose same side we have same groups we have to add. Say for example, 6 electrons here we have left side. Here 6 electrons we have left side. Sorry, the right side, left side, right side. Cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Next, after that, 3H2O, 7H2O. Opposite side we have to simplify. 7 minus 3,
4. 4H.
ಆ 4 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Yes, sir. Product set.
Next, ಇದಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. Next, H plus we have 14. There we have 6. 14 minus 6,
8.
8.
Left side. Left
we
side.
have right.
Left side.
Okay na? Next, still any cancellations? No other cancellations. So that's why write all groups what are present, left side one side, right side one side. We have to add plus to Cr plus 3. Now you see 2 chromiums, 7 oxygens plus 6. 13, huh?
Yes. Yes, sir.
3 into 3,
9.
9 plus 4, 13.
13.
Next, 8 hydrogens, 8 hydrogens. Next, first, remaining 3 nitrogens, 3 nitrogens. Okay, that's all. This is the balanced reaction.
So how many marks?
3 marks.
2 pages.
Sir, just to
It is
balance
stated-
3 marks, sir.
Huh?
Only for balancing reaction 3 marks, sir.
You have to write stepwise.
Okay, sir.
Family united, sir.
Acid medium basic off reaction method or ion electron method, sorry, oxidation number method, they will specify. Generally, oxidation number method they will give. That is 3 steps only. Okay, na? Here electrons are also balanced. Yes, please check how to check the electrons. Ikkada estiga negative charges. Opposite
2.
side. Next, 3 negative charges.
Opposite side.
8 positive.
Same
Same
side.
side.
Same side.
Right. Next, 3 negative charges.
Opposite side.
Next, 6 positive charges.
Same side.
Same side. 6 plus 3 plus 2? 11. 8 plus 3?
11, sir.
11.
Balance. That's it.
Balance. End of movie.
Next, the end.
Part 1.
Easy only.
Explanation is
Explanation means without, otherwise without explanation, how you can understand all this?
we have to like
So balance electrons means equalize the electrons either side by using suitable number. Sometimes if electrons are same, here to, no need to multiply, just write as it is. Here there is a chance to do mistake in balancing electrons only. Rather than remaining easy only. No? That electrons also I told you, simple method how to write electrons for a given reaction. silver, black and white. Observe it. Then the copper leaves copper. It absorbs heat from the body. Copper is a good conductor. Gold. Gold is also good conductor. Gold is also gold, platinum, electromagnets. Pure gold is bad conductor. Nickel is to avoid easy breaking. They mix it with copper. Silver articles are published into black. When they are exposed to
Hydrogen sulfide.
black item. Hey, copper. Tamarind for copper. Should not drink lemon water which is stored in copper bottles. Why? Because copper is somewhat a moderate reactive metal, not least reactive. So it liberates hydrogen gas.
Yes. Sir, that black layer on silver, that is due to hydrogen sulfide, no, sir?
No. That is one type of corrosion.
Yes, sir. That corrosion contains what chemical, sir?
Rust, Fe2O3, XH2O. Some water molecules, X number of water molecules. Okay, Nama? So, one more question I will give. You please practice now itself. Write down equations. Vega Madi. Please complete fast. Last. This is the question, no? Acid medium. MnO4 minus plus SO3 2 minus gives Mn plus 2 plus SO4 2 minus. Now, will you solve, students? Girls? Sumaro?
Yes, sir.
Ipana?
Yes, sir.
Will you solve? Try yourself. In the next class, I will reveal the answer. Now we have 5 minutes time. No problem. We can continue that. So tomorrow, objective materials, you please bring. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Try yourself. Don't waste the time. Why? Because if you try now, where you are getting mistake, you can rectify. Simply you leave that, you cannot understand completely. This is by practicing only you will get. Okay, na? Thank you.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Any doubts? Neha Priya. Okay, thank you.